October 29th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Match the pumpkin terms to their correct definitions. All right, so the tops of the pumpkins have the terms, and the bottom of the pumpkins have the definitions. All right, so let's take a look. So the definition here. The largest of the common factors that two or more numbers share. That keyword, largest, biggest, greatest. That's the greatest common factor. Yay, so I'm going to match that pumpkin. All right, so we have one match. Now we have two more. The next one, a symbol for a value we don't know yet. It's usually a letter like X or Y. Oh yeah, that's a variable. Variable. Woohoo, we've got two matched. All right, let's take a look at the last one. The smallest positive number that is the multiple of two or more numbers. Smallest, keyword, least. There's our least common multiple. Yay! Great job. You are done with the vocabulary. Great job.